In this video, I'm going to show you how to save diagram in Draw.io. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on File up top left, and then here you have two options. You can either save it, and this is going to basically give you the option to save it as, and you can give it a name. I'm going to name it test, and then the type over here, usually you're going to just leave it as an XML file, and then here where it says where, you have to select where you want to save this. So you have a bunch of different options. You can go to Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, or you can just save it to your device, to your browser, or you can also download it to your computer. So for this instance, I'm just going to download it to my computer, and I'm going to press OK. And then as you can see, this has now been downloaded to my computer. Now, if you click on Save As up here, it's going to basically do the exact same thing, for the exception of if you actually are working on a specific project and you click on Save, and for example, you are saving this actively on your Google Drive, it's simply going to just save it again. But if you click on Save As, it's going to give you an option to actually save it somewhere else too. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.